Hello friend, welcome to Biggie Goat of the World YouTube channel. Kota goats are also known as Karoli, and these goat breeds are distributed throughout the states of Rajasthan and Gujarat. Kota goats are being raised or reared for milk, meat and skin production. However, mostly this breed is considered as dairy goat. Kota goat is similar to beetle goat. Kota goats are famous their horns. Goat farmers who are considering for dairy business can go for this breed. Kota goat skin is popular with the tanning industry. Purpose of Kota goat farming is for milk, meat and skin. Basically, Kota goat is a large-size animal with long legs. Coat color of Kota goat is predominantly black with white spots on ears and muzzle. However, a few white, brown and spotted goats are also found. The body of Kota goat is covered densely with hair which is short and coarse. Usually, the hair on these animals grows at 2 centimeters annually. Kota goats have long flat drooping ears which are around 24 to 25 centimeters long. Both male and females have horns curved upward and backward.